Staying in the tower this time. Excited?
Yeah, gonna be up high.
Oh, up high. We're on the 11th floor. That's
How
gonna
many
be...
floors does this have?
I don't know. We'll have to find out. Well, 13 doesn't exist, so we'll have to see what the restaurant's on. We're gonna go to the restaurant in a bit. This is our check-in. It's so weird that they don't drop you off out here on the Magical Express. That would be so much nicer to walk in this way instead of from the side. I love this lobby though. Look how pretty it is. Yay. B. Oh, we gotta go on B. We're here. Oh, it smells so good. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
You want to check out the Dahlia Lounge? This is really cool in here. Oh, I'm next to all the wine. So, like, this looks different. They changed the menu. There used to be all these different, like, packets. Now you can just get it all in one. Okay, I got the Tequila Daisy. I don't remember what's in it. Tequila's in it. Grapefruit juice and lime juice and soda water.
Hibiscus.
Yes, and hibiscus. I think that's everything actually. And you got this festive St. Patrick's Day melon green margarita, I guess.
Beverage, yeah.
So it looks the same except yours would be like, what's that stuff? The melon stuff? Ooh. Oh, thank you. That's delicious. Oh, I got the pan con tomate. I'm very excited for you to try this. I think you're gonna like it, even though you don't like tomatoes.
And bread. I don't like bread.
Oh. I'm excited to try these too. Let's see. Yes. I thought there was gonna be a little flour in it. Oh, that is strong. I like it. Let's try yours, because I want to try yours. How is it? What's that melon stuff they put in?
Tastes like
Midori.
Midori.
That's what I was thinking. Is that what it tastes like?
It tastes like water.
Oh, to you.
It really does taste like
Like melon water?
just water.
Oh. You ready?
I gotta put my napkin.
Ah, yes. Be a gentleman. Let's toast the toast.
Toast.
Toasty. Okay, what's your opinion on the pan con tomate?
I don't like that it's raw.
Raw tomato?
Raw. Well, it's
I mean,
It's definitely not
it's
cooked.
warm.
it's definitely not fully cooked all the way through.
Yeah.
So I can feel it in my throat.
Oh, I see what you mean. So if you're allergic or sensitive to
I'm
tomatoes,
not allergic
but you
to
throw
tomatoes. But when I eat raw fruit,
yeah.
raw vegetables, lightly
you-
cooked or whatever, I have a reaction in my throat.
And you're getting that feeling right now?
I can tell it's like a tickle.
Do you like the
And
taste
it
though?
builds up. It builds up, okay? It
Yes.
could be very dangerous.
But do you like the
The more-
taste? That's what's
The
important.
taste is nice. There's an olive oil with garlic infused.
And it's peppery.
And the salt and pepper is nice.
Yeah.
It's seasoned very well.
It is. I like it. I
don't
think it's
know.
very salty, which
Is it
I
like
like.
a garlic bread?
Yeah, I think it's like a garlic bread and like olive oil. Well, it's clearly olive oil. It's like all over the pan right here. But it's delicious. I like it. It's a little spicy though, huh?
No.
Oh, I get a little spice in the back of my throat.
You and I have very different palates.
Yeah, you don't think anything's spicy?
We switch drinks.
Oh yeah, we switched drinks because tastes like tequila and mine tastes like a Midori sour or something. delicious. Okay, I got the braised short rib here. Oh, it's spinny. Like potato chips all over it. What the heck? Looks good. Yours is the Manhattan steak with potatoes and mushrooms.
What's this thing?
I don't know what that is. You're gonna have to eat it and let us know. Right now? Might as well eat it right now. Oh, it's fig. Is it fig stuff?
Is it figgy pudding?
No. That's like a vegetable, I think.
It's not bad. It's very sweet.
Oh, that's probably fig stuff. It's probably a fig. Alright, let's try this. Look at this view. Okay, let me zoom in. There we go. Yeah, look at that. Let me put the brightness down and everything. Oh, look at that. Galaxy's Edge. Tower of Terror. Look at that. I don't know what's back there. There's like a carnival thing back there.
That's Fun Spot?
Fun Spot, maybe. Could be. I don't know where that is, but nothing over here really. There's Blizzard Beach. That thing right there. Right there. Nothing over there. But I swear I saw Magic Kingdom fireworks from like one of the parts here, but this is cool. Swan and Dolphin are over there. It looks really cool. I wish you could get Galaxy's Edge in the same shot. I like it. We moved over a little bit. We can see Epcot now. See? This is the ball. This, well, the Spaceship Earth. Oh, I want to go right now. There's a Swan and Dolphin over there. Let's see if I can get that in there. Yeah, there's a Swan and Dolphin. Some construction. That must be the new hotel they're constructing over there.
Star Wars?
I don't know if that's Star Wars construction or the one near the Swan and Dolphin. It more looks like it's over near Epcot. Because the Star Wars hotel would be somewhere over here.
It'd be over there, wouldn't it? It'd be behind.
Oh yeah, it would be like near Galaxy's Edge over here. I mean, this looks really cool at night. I love this shot. I don't know about during the day. It wouldn't make any sense to come over here, I guess. I think at nighttime is way better to go to this Dahlia Lounge. And you can just like have a seat over here. That'd be cool. I like it. It is very nice out here. Dahlia and Walt Disney. It's a cool bar. There's the movie too. Get Hidden Mickey in the elevator. Ooh, time to go to Rick's Cafe and get some breakfast foods. And Via del Lago. Who knows? This is nice.
Just go outside now, probably.
Yeah, I think so. So there's construction in the old check-in lobby, so they'd make you go outside anyways, so you might as well go outside now. Get a little fountain view. Oh yeah. Oh, look at these windmill things. Those are cool. I like it a lot. Construction! Let's go to Panchitos. It's quite loud. Ooh, make your own wood carved character? That's cool. I want to do that. I want to do the portrait more than anything. But a character's pretty cool. Oh look, they have Dahlia here. Oh wow, this stuff is cool. They come out with some good merch for this place. Oh, look at this magnet. This is way better than the one we have.
Yeah, it is.
Oh crap. I want this one. Oh, those are the abstract. That's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool.
Oh, I like this shirt too. This hat. A lot of hats. The shirts aren't bad. Oh, they got fancy shirts. This is really cute. Oh, I love that. There he is, Panchito. Yay, Panchito. Oh, pressed coin collection. I have one of those. I like this. This is pretty nice. It's got all the park stuff on it.
You know what's fun is the last trip we were here, we couldn't find one of these anywhere.
I know. Now we can find them everywhere.
First thing we
Was
said.
this 20 bucks? Not bad. What's this thing?
It's the holder.
Oh, it's a water bottle holder. Wow. You have to buy both. Oh, look at this little pop-up thing. That's cute. Is that a card? Oh, it's an ornament. I like it. I like this a lot. I'm just gonna get everything. That's just easier that way. There's a night light. So these are night lights. I don't know if I can... Oh, here we go. Oh, you can't really see it, but it like lights up different colors.
It's like a glow cube.
Yeah, but like for your room. Yeah, it's basically just a glow cube, only bigger. I like the monorail. That's pretty cool. How much are these? $17. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, this is a cute shirt. Oh, I like it.
Yeah.
Duck, duck, goose.
You don't see it, but I do.
I don't see it. I can't see anything in the water.
So in the middle of it.
Oh. There's 3 bridges. This is a bridge.
Is this 1, 2, or 3?
I'm gonna label this 2Z.
I think it's 1.
Oh yeah, because I don't even see the third one. There's one over there. There's one here. Maybe there's one on the other side of the restaurant. Yeah. Just want to see what it looks like. Looks cool. There's nobody there, so that's
cool.
something. They're open till midnight and there's
That's
nobody
cute.
out here. Cool, 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 cool.
You can't see our room from here.
Kind of, maybe. No,
No,
we're on
not
the other
on the other
side.
side.
We got lucky and we got the theme park view, so. Yes, yes, yes. So,
We were
last
just
time
up
we
there,
were
though.
here, there was love bugs all over these trash cans.
There's love bugs all over this.
And we had to, like, run. Oh, there's nice little benches out here. Have a little sit.
Little sitski.
We'll sit. Join us for Sangria University. What? You can learn about sangria. That's pretty cool. Look at these. These are so relaxing. I like it. Just look at the menu. Sangria collection. Ooh. Yeah, not bad. Sounds pretty good. Looks nice.